So there is a problem given where first three terms are given, which is 1, 6 and 16x square. We need to find the values of e and n. So first term would be r plus 1 is 1, which means r is equal to 0. So t0 plus 1 is n c r, r is 0, nc0 into first term is 1 to the power n minus r, which is n minus r is 0 into ax to the power r, which is 0. So this is 1. So first term is given as 1. So 1 is equal to nc0 is 1, 1 to the power anything is 1, into h to the power 0 is 1. So we get 1 here. Second term is r plus 1 is 2, which means r is equal to 1. So second term is ncr, which is nc1, into 1 to the power n minus r, r is 1, into a to the power a into x to the power r, which is 1. So we get t, what is the second term that is given to us? That is 6x. 6x is equal to nc1. How do we write nc1? nc1 is n factorial by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 to the power, anything to the power for 1 is the same, so I leave it like this, 1 into a to the power x the whole square, because r is 1. So it's a to the power x 1, because r is 1. So what do we get here? 6x is equal to, we can write n factorial as n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. This will get cancelled and we have ax already. So what do we get? 6x is equal to n from here into 1 into ax. X and x gets cancelled. We will have n is equal to 6 by a, or a is equal to 6 by n. Right? Let's say this is equation 1. Now let's take the third term. R plus 1 is 3, which means r is equal to 2. So t2 plus 1 is equal to nc2 into 1 into a. I'm leaving 1 as it is because there's no use putting a power for 1. A into x to the power r, r is 2. So this is square here. So what is the second term given to us? It is 16x square. So we get 16x square is equal to nc2. What is nc2? nc2 is n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into a square x square. Right? Let's write this in the form. N factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, so that we can cancel the denominator. So we get n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So this will get cancelled. We are left with n into n minus 1 by 2. So let's rewrite this. We get 16x square is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2 into a square x square. X square and x square will get cancelled. So we have, let's take 2 there. So we get 32 is equal to n, let's multiply this, n square minus n into a square. So we get, let's substitute a. A is 6 by n from equation 1. From equation 1, a is 6 by n. So we get 32 is equal to n square minus n into 6 by n the whole square, because it's a square. So we get 32 is equal to, we'll take n as common here. So n minus 1 into 6 is 36 by n square. 1 n here and 1 n here gets cancelled. We get n minus 1 by n into 36 is equal to 32. This is nothing but 36n minus 36 by n is equal to 32. 36n minus 36 is equal to 32n. Now when we shift 32n here, it's going to be minus. So 36n minus 32n is equal to 36. So n is equal to, we get 4n is equal to 36. So n is equal to 9. N is equal to 9 here. Now we need to find A. We know from equation 1, A is equal to 6 by n, which means A is 6 by 9, which means A is 2 by